Securing a good job in the poultry industry involves a combination of education, experience, networking, and understanding the industry's specific needs. Here are some practical steps to help you get started. Education and training. Relevant degrees. Obtain a degree in animal science, poultry science, veterinary science, or a related field. Consider pursuing advanced degrees or certifications for specialized roles. Professional training. Enroll in professional courses or training programs focused on poultry management, poultry breeding, hatchery operations and management, feed formulation, or biosecurity. Certifications. Obtain certifications in the mentioned professional courses or training programs. Gaining experience. Internships. Participate in internships or cooperative education programs during your studies to gain practical experience. Look for opportunities with poultry farms, hatcheries, feed companies, or research institutions. Entry-level jobs. Start with entry-level positions such as farmhand or supervisor, poultry technician, or quality control assistant. Gain hands-on experience and learn about different aspects of poultry farming. Volunteer work. Volunteer at farms, animal research institutes, or agricultural events to build experience and network within the industry. Networking. Professional associations. Join industry associations like the Poultry Association, the Poultry Science Association, or local agricultural societies. Attend conferences, workshops, and seminars to meet professionals and stay updated on industry trends. Industry events. Participate in trade shows, expos, and career fairs focused on the poultry industry. Network with employers, suppliers, and industry experts. Online networking. Use platforms like LinkedIn to connect with professionals in the poultry industry. Join relevant groups and forums to engage in discussions and share knowledge. Job search strategies. First, let's talk about job boards and websites. Check specialized job boards for agriculture and poultry industry positions or industry-specific sites. Also, regularly visit company websites for job postings. Next, consider recruitment agencies. Work with recruitment agencies that specialize in agriculture and animal science sectors. These agencies often have access to exclusive job opportunities. Lastly, company research. Research companies you are interested in and tailor your applications to match their specific needs and culture. Follow companies on social media to stay informed about job openings. Skill development is crucial. Starting with technical skills, develop skills in areas like flock management, disease control, feed formulation, and data analysis. Stay updated on the latest technologies and best practices in poultry farming. Don't forget soft skills. Cultivate strong communication, leadership, and problem-solving skills. Be adaptable and willing to learn new techniques and technologies. And of course, continuous learning. Attend workshops, webinars, and online courses to continuously upgrade your knowledge and skills. Stay informed about industry news and advancements through journals, magazines, and online resources. Tailoring your application is key. For your resume and cover letter, highlight relevant education, experience, and skills in your resume. Customize your cover letter for each job application, emphasizing how your background aligns with the job requirements. When it comes to interview preparation, research the company and its operations before the interview. Be prepared to discuss your experience, skills, and how you can contribute to the company's success. By combining these strategies, you can enhance your prospects of landing a good job in the poultry industry and build a successful career in this field. Thanks for watching.